In order to paper trade futures on Webull mobile, the first thing you want to do is you want to open up the app like you normally would. Then please go to the bottom menu and select over here where it says menu. Afterwards, scroll down a little bit until you see this section that says shortcuts. Then from here, please locate the option that says more, and it is going to have 3 dots, and you just want to go ahead and press on it just like this. From here, please go ahead and scroll down. And then underneath the section that says trading, you're going to see the option that says paper trade. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and select on it just like so. So once you do this, you're now going to be using the paper trade money, which is right here. So it's going to give you $1 million by default. And then what you want to do is you want to go to the top menu and make sure to select on futures just like so. Then from here, please go ahead and select on paper trade just like so. And then from here, you can go ahead and look up assets that you want to go ahead and future trade in. So let's say we want to go ahead and work with this asset. You're able to go ahead and select on paper trade. Then you guys can buy, sell, you can limit, and then the limit price, quantity, and stuff like that. So this is a really great tool to help you get more comfortable with investing and stuff like that. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.